The Places feature in Maps lets us save locations and add personal notes to them. Saved places can also be pinned or marked as a favorite, which is saved as a guide. Guides are collections of multiple places which we will go over in the next lesson. Let's zoom into the map on the iPad and bring up Fork Restaurant. At the bottom of this panel, we have an add icon, a star, and a thumbs up. Tap the add button to save this location as a place. Notice there is now a check mark on the Fork Restaurant icon. Zoom out on the map, and the saved location remains visible longer than other locations. Keep zooming out, and the orange dot for the saved place remains visible. Since these two devices sync via iCloud, Fork is listed under saved places on the iPhone as well. Notice we can add our own note for the saved place. These notes will only be visible on your devices. They are not public comments or reviews. Tap the More button, and we can pin this location. Fork is now visible under Pinned and Saved Places. If you pin a location, it will also be added to saved places. But not all saved places are pinned. We can also save places that aren't already marked locations on the map. This block along 4th Street is my go-to parking spot. Tap and hold on the map, and we can pin this. I'll add a note to it as well. That pin is now saved, and if we tap the Info button next to it, a title can be assigned so it's easier to recognize when displayed on the map. We can also save a place from the search field with a tap on the Add button here, or down here in the Saved Places panel. Simply enter the address or location name that you want to save. Select from the list, and then we can give it a name and save it. To remove a saved or pinned location, just swipe left on it in the list. Or we can unpin or delete a place while viewing its info. If the saved places list becomes too full or cluttered, we can tap this button and then mark multiple items to remove. Next up, we will look at guides, which are collections of places.